Hello everybody! Today we would like to demonstrate how you can block text messages on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, open the iMessage app. Then open the dialog or the message page of the person that you would like to stop receiving the texts from. At the top part of this page, tap on this person profile or contact details, then further expand those details by tapping on the info icon over here and simply block this caller. Tap on block this caller option. Then confirm it by clicking on the block contact, and that will be it. From now on, you will not receive any new text messages or messages in general from this particular person. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.